Once upon a time, in a sunny little town surrounded by hills and lively green fields, there was a cheerful golden retriever named Bruno. Bruno was known all over town for his wiggly tail and bright shiny eyes that seemed to dance with mischief. One lazy afternoon, Bruno noticed something odd. A big, colorful butterfly was fluttering playfully above his head. Intrigued, Bruno's tail started wagging like a helicopter. He decided that he simply must catch the butterfly and find out where it was going. And so began Bruno's big adventure. With one stick of his tongue hanging out and paws pounding against the soft grass, Bruno chased the butterfly through the park, leaping over benches and running through flowers. The butterfly, with its graceful wings, led him to places he'd never explored before. First, they passed by the sweet-smelling bakery where the baker, Mr. Miller, waved with a smile and tossed Bruno a biscuit as they sped by. Bruno loved biscuits, but the colorful butterfly was too fascinating, so he kept on going. Next, they raced by the clear, sparkling river, where a group of ducks quacked loudly in surprise. Bruno loved swimming, but he had no time to splash around today. He even breezed past his favorite tree with the best sticks ever, but not today. Up the hill and down they went until finally, the butterfly whimsically landed on a very curious patch of sunflowers, swaying in the gentle breeze. Bruno stopped, panting but happy, surrounded by golden petals that looked just like him when he wagged his tail in the sun. Bruno's heart soared in that sunflower field. He realized that the journey itself, full of joyful discoveries and familiar smiles, had been the best part of the chase. As the sun started to dip behind the hills, Bruno decided it was time to head home. In his heart, he knew he would tell this story to his human Lily, who waited for him with open arms and lots of ear scratches. Wagging his tail with joy, Bruno trotted home, dreaming about his next great butterfly adventure and all the wonderful places it might take him.